He has had a couple really good games. They need both him and Antti Raanta to step it up and improve their saves moving forward.
For either team in the first 5 as Farabee gave it away. Man moving in is Aho. What's on the break? That's the best shot we've seen so far. A wrister off the right pad of Carter Hart. Good job by Dmitry Orlov to pick the pocket of Farabee, who looked like he might jump right across the Carolina line. Aho with a drop. Long wrister from Jalen Chatfield was on net. Aho puts it in the blue paint. Save the rebound. Score! Michael Bunting breaks the ice here in Philadelphia. He's promoted up to the top line with Sebastian Aho. And just like that, he's got his 5th of the season.
Had one rush, came back, and as you mentioned, a play was broken up. And then watch this pass just over to Jalen Chatfield. A quick long-range shot. Chatfield's a little more defensive. But what the Canes do well is they jump on all the rebounds. And they're able to corral the puck. They get it from outside. And they're able to put it inside. And Bunting's there in a perfect spot. You know, if you watch the way Aho passes that, it's off the heel of his stick. Antti Raanta left the game early against Edmonton last week. He seems to be back and fine, but Fyodor Kochetkov looks very solid in between the pipes.
A bank pass ahead to Nason. Into the corner stall. Sweeps it around the boards. Back to Burns. Long snapshot off the blocker of Hart. And a possible breakaway. Here comes Konecny. Score! What an outlet pass, and Konecny sneaks behind the Canes defense. That's the game at 1.
Goal finished by Travis Konecny, but it starts all the way back in their defensive zone. It's a big rebound and a great heads-up play by Forster. The rebound comes to him. He already knows that he's got Konecny busting down to the far blue line. So a quick retrieval of that rebound, which is bouncing a little bit. And so these goalies are going to figure it out. They're going to start getting better numbers. And their 8 goals that Raanta gave up to Tampa Bay certainly didn't help his numbers.
Throwing one out in front is Nason. That's blocked in on Hart. The rebound. Score! Inserted into the lineup, Brendan Lemieux in place of the ill Andrei Svechnikov. And look who puts the puck in the back of the net. It's Lemieux. And that gives Carolina the lead back.
Jump on loose pucks, and they retrieve loose pucks, and this forward batter behind. This is the 4th line we were talking about. Drury, Nason, and Lemieux inserted, but they're just hard work along the wall. And there is a funny carom off a skate here right now. It's a rebound, and you can see the puck is trying to be cleared there by Scott Laughton. Right here, it goes off Lemieux's shin pad. Quick reaction save, and then Lemieux just feeds Laughton to that loose puck. So that's just a hard-working shift. That's what this line has done really well.
You talk about how relentless Carolina can be. Shots on net since the Konecny goal, 13-4 in favor of the Canes. They've got the lead, and they start this period on the power play. And it looked like he struggled with that deflecting wrister in spite of how far away it was launched from. Jarvis after it. Some open ice. Sanheim closes the distance. Score! A wrister by Jarvis snuck under the left pad of Carter Hart. It looked like he had it and almost kicked it into his own net. And it's a 2-goal lead for Carolina.
Pouring on the pressure at the other end of the ice, and you can see the Flyers are converging. They've got to take risks at this point in the season. Excuse me, this point in the game. And they go down and Seth Jarvis putting the afterburners on, getting that puck. He has Travis Sanheim, who we talked about how great he's been angling him. Sanheim plays that well. He's shoulder to shoulder with him, forces Jake back to kick it, instead puts it in the net.
Well, the net empty. That shot by Teravainen was blocked. Now the Flyers need a pair. And that is an empty net goal thrown in from the half wall left wing side. That will make this a 4-1 lead. And congratulations for Kotkaniemi, as that is about as easy as they come. That will put Carter Hart back in his net.
Honestly, I beg to differ. Easy as they come, Bob. I'd like to see you do that. Where he's sitting over there on the side, he's a left shot, so his angle's a little tough. He's got pressure here. He gets his eyes up between the legs, and he threads the needle. So, granted, no goalie there, but still, that's
ESPN Plus Hulu exclusive coming up a couple of nights from now. And Ferraro and Steve Levy will have the call as the Canes will take on the Islanders, another team that right now they are in the general vicinity of in the Eastern Conference playoff picture. But the final 4-1